As you can see in the video, I had to make a trip to my property because the tenant refrigerator was going out and they needed a new one. So I had limited resources. It was past 8 o'clock. So I decided to go on Facebook Marketplace, find one for free, which I did, and I was able to pick it up, which was about an hour away from me. Took it to the tenant, had to remove the door, hit the refrigerator and take the old one out, take it in my house. As an investor, or as a landlord in general, you gotta step up to the plate, or if you have a property manager, it's gonna cost you more money to have someone else come out. So I took charge, took care of it, saved me money, and less of a headache from the tenant. So keep that in mind when you're thinking about investing as a landlord. Sometimes you gotta step up.